Hello knitters, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raja. Today's lesson is gonna be about how to cast off using elastic method. This is the cast off on the knit stitch. So every stitch are knitted. So what you do on the last row when you want to buy off, you want to bring that yarn in the front as two purl. And then you would knit the next stitch and bring the yarn toward the back and wrap it around that needle, the working needle here, and bring the yarn over here and slip it off just like to knit. And you can see that now you have the extra stitch right here from the yarn over. You want to bring the left needle over here and then lift this yarn over up, pass it over to the stitch here that you just knit. Use your right hand to pull this yarn gently so that you won't lose a stitch. And then you just bring the yarn through there, slip it off. And then now you have this, the first stitch here that you have here that you want to buy off left over. You want to bring that yarn over this one also. So you bring this yarn over like that. Now you have one stitch left on your right needle and you want to continue doing the same way. You bring the yarn over here to the front and you knit the next stitch with the yarn over like that. Knit that and then you pass over the yarn over stitch and also the yarn that you have on your needle previously over too. Okay, and I'm gonna work on this buy off through the end and we will come take a look to see how it will look. So I'll work my way to the end. This is gonna take me a while, so don't forget to bring the yarn toward the front before you buy off. It's easy to forget because you get used to the method that you worked before. If you like my video, please share and subscribe so that I can build more community and this give me a chance to be more exposed to the social. And also, if I get more people to watch my video, I can earn a little bit of advertised money from YouTube. And that's also helped me make extra money to buy some more yarn and pay for my website. Oh, I forget to bring the yarn in the front again. See, it's so easy to forget. You can keep track of me, see how many times I forget. See if you can catch it. I hope the weather is nice where you are. I'm in the northwest, state, Washington, here in the US. And the weather right now is kind of cloudy and some rain. Oh, see, I forget again. And sprinkle some rain every day during this time of year. I want to take my dog out for a walk before it gets dark. It's getting dark so early now, even though it's supposed to start getting more light. But because of the cloudy and rain, we always get dark like about 5 o'clock. So our days are very short here. Once I get the rhythm of yarn over before I buy off, I won't forget it. But just keep that rhythm going. So this is good for when you're doing like a cuff for your sweater, the neck area, like neck collar buy off, or the rib buy off. So for the ribbing, I have to do another video to show you how the effect look like, because you're going to do the yarn over for the pearl stitch as well, and sometimes the yarn over a little bit complicated. When you do yarn over for the pearl, it look like yarn over, but actually it's not, because you have to do it like double yarn over to make it work. I can also do this continental style too. See if I can do it. Let's see. So I have to put the yarn over here on my left, and then yarn over. Actually, it's faster doing it this way, but it might be hard for people to follow. See, yarn over, knit, pass over, yarn over the needle, knit, pass over the yarn over, pass over the stitch, yarn over needle, knit, pass over, almost done. Pass over, yarn over, knit, pass over, pass over. The last one it's difficult. There, I did it, and I dropped the needle. Okay, so the last one I should just end off like that and cut yarn Where's my scissors? Cut the yarn. I think we did it. Let's take a look how stretchy it is. So this is how it looked like. Stretch. So stretch, stretch. Pretty stretchy, I would say, right? Well, that's all for today, my friends. I hope you like my video. If you like it, give it a thumb up. And also share it to your friends, your family. And also subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.